Hello everyone, and I have a very exciting news for you. If you are preparing for the IFC exam, Investment Funds in Canada exam, right? I have created a new AI tutor that can help you to prepare for the IFC exam. Now, this is a custom built AI tutor. So I have inputted, or I have trained the AI right on various things. So it is trained on like chapter wise videos. It is trained on on the entire question bank that I had created for the IFC exam. Then it is also trained on numerical questions. I have fed the training data set which had a lot of numerical questions too. So it is a custom built AI that targets the IFC exam. Okay, so there are multiple things on how this AI tutor can help you to clear the IFC exam. So example, you can simply ask it, right, create a question. Okay, so it can help you to practice questions that can appear on the IFC exam. So this is the first use. So if you ask it that, it will search its database, which is a custom database, and it will ask you a question. Now, good part about this AI tutor, it will not show you the answer right away. It will wait for your response. So let's say it is asking a question, you feel the answer is C, right? So you insert the option. It will say it is correct or incorrect, what is the correct answer, and what is the explanation based on the IFC material. Okay, so this is an amazing tool to help you practice for the exam. So this is one way. Then you can also ask it to create a question on a particular topic. So let's say create a numerical question on NAV calculation. So this is the second use. So it's creating a question, right? Total assets, total liabilities, number of share outstanding, what will be the NAV? You feel the answer is D. You should actually calculate and share, but I'm just showing you. No, the answer was B. So it will give you how it arrived at the calculation, what was the formula, how do you input the data given, and what is the answer, and why the correct option was B. So you can create a random question, you can create a question based on a specific topic. The next part, you can create a question based on a specific chapter. So let's say you studied chapter number 3, right, which is related to economics, and let's say you want to create, let's say 10 questions based on chapter 3. So wow, it's creating 10 questions based on chapter 3. It will never share the answer with you. It will wait for your response, and when it is done, it will ask you, like when the 10 questions are created, it will ask you the response, and whatever answer it is, it will share the explanation. So these are 10 questions based on chapter number 3. Okay, so let's say you think question number 1 has an answer of A. So you put in one question, answer A. You could put in all 10. I'm just giving an example. So it will say, no, that was incorrect. The answer was B, and what is the explanation for that, right? So it can create questions randomly. It can create questions on a specific topic. It can create questions on a specific chapter. This is the question part, the generating question part. The last part about generating question, it can also create a sample exam. Create a sample exam consisting of 100 questions based on IFC exam. Okay, so you're preparing and you want a set of 100 questions to get the feel of how IFC exam actually happens. So you can create a prompt like this, share it. So it will give you like what chapters it is, right? So you have to refine the prompt a bit because it is generating like let's say non-multiple choice questions. We will change the prompt a bit. Sometimes it does that, right? So sample multiple choice exam consisting of 100 questions based on IFC exam. So it has the weightage already fit in. So introduction to mutual fund marketplace, 13% weight, so it will give you questions based on that, right? So KYC topic has 19% weight, so it will give you questions based on that, so on and so forth. So it will generate 100 questions. I don't want to spend your valuable time on showing how 100 questions are generated. So this is the second use, right? This is the fourth use probably. So it can create a random question. It can create a question on a specific topic. It can create questions on specific chapters. It can create an entire IFC exam for you to practice, right? A sample IFC exam. Then it can also create or explain you a specific topic. So let's say explain to me how to, or explain to me what is a portfolio. Okay, so it will help you to understand. So based on the IFC knowledge, so it has transcribes of each chapter, right? So I've first created videos for the chapter, then transcribed them, then fed in those transcripts to the custom AI. So it will give you all the information about a portfolio, right? So you can, if you're finding a specific topic hard to understand, it can explain it to you, right, in simpler language. Then it can also, right, walk you through a numerical. So let's say a favorite topic in the IFC exam is dividend investment, dividend reinvestment. So walk me through a mutual fund dividend reinvestment numerical. So a lot of people struggle with this concept. So if you want, you can ask it that, and it creates a question and it tells you how to do the solution. So this is how to work it out. So it's a great tool. Use it as much as you want, right? It will be very helpful for you to prepare for the exam, right? So how do you get this tool? So this is a custom built AI. To get this tool, if you go to my channel, right, this tool is available for level 2 members and above. So if you go to my channel, if you go to membership, right, I'll show you the join button. It is usually below here somewhere, the join link. Okay, so let me change the YouTube channel. So finance in Canada, let's say you search for my channel. So this is the channel. If you click on join, right, so I have to sign in. Let's say I sign in. This is, let me use another account which already has a sign in. So finance in Canada. So you join. So these are the options. If you subscribe to level 2, that is this IFC exam, CSC exam, like video, and level 2 and above, so this level and above, then you get access to this custom AI. So if you want to subscribe, right, you click on the join button, subscribe for it, right, and then go to the community tab. So under the community tab, right, so again I have to show you in my channel, right, if you go to the community tab, so there are different messages for different levels. So if you subscribe to level 2 and above, right, if you click on read more, you will get access to the videos, the question bank on Udemy, right, plus you get access to this custom built AI tool for the IFC exam. Okay, so it's a very useful tool. It took me a lot of efforts to design it, right, so hopefully it helps you out for the IFC exam. Thank you so much for listening, and all the best for your IFC exam.